Okay, so to create a Docker file, just try to first of all create a file here. So I'll name it as Docker file. So make sure you are giving the similar name, otherwise it won't be working. D should be capital. And I'll get the Docker icon here. Okay, once you have created this file, and there won't be any kinds of extension. Now inside that you have to mention the Docker command. So these are the command you have to mention. So first of all, here I'm taking one Python image actually, because I think I remember we are using Python 3.8, right? Environment. So that's why I'm taking one Python 3.8 Slim Buster image. If you have basics knowledge about Docker, it would be better. Otherwise, I know that you will be getting confused, but as of now, just try to remember this is the Docker command actually I need if I want to Dockerize the entire source code. Okay, that means it will Dockerize the entire source code, and this Docker image actually will be using for the deployment. Okay, this is the idea. Now I'm creating a directory called app. Inside that I'm copying all of my source code and I'm doing the requirement installation, and then I'm executing my app.py. Okay, that's it. And it would be running inside Linux environment. That's why you have to give the Python 3 command. Okay, so this is the simple Docker file. Now let's start the deployment. For this, definitely you should have a AWS account. If you don't have the account, just try to create one account.